Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I decorated our living room for Christmas this year. This video will be a mixture of me kind of talking through it, as well as the decor put to music. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Grab you something cozy to drink and let me show you my Christmas living room. So it is my living room tour, but our foyer is right off of our living room, and I thought I would show you that really quick. Of course, I just hung my greenery with the lights from our stairs. I wanted to add some satin red ribbon to that, but honestly, I just never got around to it. I haven't been back to Hobby Lobby, so it is what it is. I'm done adding stuff at this point, but I love this little accordion rack here kind of between our foyer and living room. I got that Joy to the World and that little greenery sprig from Walmart this year, and I just love how this little area kind of looks. And then next we will start to come into the living room itself. I'm going to give you a little overview. I think it is so cozy. To me, it looks like the perfect Christmas living room. We recently moved this hutch into the living room when we put our Christmas tree in the dining room, and I really wanted to try it over here, and I actually love how it looks. I'll show you more of that here in a second, but here's a little end table, just a few little things over here, a little faux flickering candle. So back to the hutch, I just put a few of my little kind of village houses in there, and then a belief sign in the middle. But I love how it looks up top. So I love this lamp up here. It adds some light to this corner. So you might remember if you watched my dining room decorate with me, my little nutcracker over there, I mentioned I wanted to show y'all the one that I found from Ross. And this is him. He is so pretty. I love how he has the little gem on his, whatever that thing is called. But I just love the traditional colors with his black hat. I'm loving pops of black, especially in my Christmas decor. I just think it's classic and so pretty. But yes, I found this one at Ross, and I want to say he was $19.99, super affordable, maybe even less than that. It's been a while since I got him now, but I love this little area up here above my hutch. I just added this greenery with some lights and that red berry wreath with the black little wall embellishment behind it. I love how it looks with my little nutcracker up here. And here's a little peek at my dining room. This was that other nutcracker that I was talking about. You want to see how I decorated in here with this tree and everything, I will link that video below. So over below our TV, I knew I wanted to decorate, but something really simple. So I had this long tray, and I got all these little bottle brush trees from the Dollar Tree of all places. I love how they're all kind of different, like different styles and shapes and sizes. And then I just wrapped some fairy lights all around those trees, and I think it's the perfect little TV stand decor. My tree this year, I kind of wanted to keep it more simple. I'm kind of going for the non-aesthetic Christmas a little bit. But I just wanted to add a bow for my topper this year instead of all my little sprigs that I normally do. And I did get that bow from Hobby Lobby. You can't really tell, but it has the gold underneath. It's just so beautiful and so classic Christmas. And then for the ribbon this year, Hayden and I decorated the tree, and we just put the ribbon on there like normal, if that makes sense. Instead of cutting it and trying to be all specific with it, we just put it on there, wrapped it around, and I actually love how it turned out. So this tree, I kind of have a Santa theme going on. I love to pick up kind of Santa theme ornaments. I got that one this year, as well as this one down here with the milk and cookies and carrots. I think that is so cute. And of course, the Christmas ribbon, it came from Hobby Lobby this year. That is one thing that I added. Also, I did add a strand, a pretty big strand of these large kind of the C9 style light bulbs in there. I just love the kind of pop of brightness it adds in there. Here's another Santa ornament that I found this year with some hot chocolate. He is so cute. So yeah, this is the tree for the living room this year. And then another big thing that has made the most difference in my living room this year, I added these buffalo check red curtains. Some of y'all might remember we took the curtains down just for regular decor to kind of open that window up because I love how it looks. But I figured for Christmas, why not add a big old pop of red? So I ordered these curtains from Amazon. They were super cheap. I think it was $20 for a pack of 2. And you can see they really add so much kind of Christmas coziness in here. I love how they turned out. I did get this little tree right here from Hobby Lobby. And then one of my favorite areas this year is my mantle, and my 9-year-old actually decorated it for me when we were decorating the living room. And this is just a garland from Walmart that we kind of added to. I added in those eucalyptus stems and those berries and those little kind of peppermint ornaments just to kind of spruce that up a little bit. Of course, we added the lights, and I am loving that big mantle to decorate. If you know, you know. And here is our centerpiece for our coffee table. Just a 3-wick candle. Love it. There's a little sneak peek back at our kitchen. And then now I'm just going to kind of give you a few little glimpses at everything I decorated. But yeah, y'all let me know how we did.